Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am not going to do an introduction to this video since this is a hair tutorial, nothing track related. If you want to achieve this look in these couple pictures that I have here, stay tuned to this video and I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, it's been a minute since I have made a voiceover, but thank you guys for tuning into this video. As you can see right now, I'm starting off with just dry hair. I didn't put my bonnet on last night, so if it looks a little dry, that's probably why. So I'm going through it right now, sprinting it with just water. And what I have in my hair, and only I have in my hair, like to get it to look like this in a dry state, is just water and the curling enhancing smoothie. So that's like the foundational product that's in my hair. And then of course I put eco and stuff around my edges. This pink one that you see right here around the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm just gonna go through it around. You're just gonna see me do it. Now I am going to, do my hair as if I'm doing it in a ponytail. And then I'm going to stop the rest of my hair from completely going through to make a complete ponytail. And that is pretty much all I do. The only thing I wish I would have done more with this bun is pull my natural hair a little through. But for the most part, it came out just how my buns usually come out. And then I'm just sectioning off the hair around the front to make it, look even. And then I'm just going to lay my edges, and that's honestly it. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick hair tutorial video of me doing my bun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.